Today's event is about exposing high school students to wildland firefighting. This industry needs more boots on the ground due to climate change and limited resources. It affects our everyday lives with things like air quality and destroying our natural resources. We have 125 students participating today, which come from 9 districts, 12 of whom are from Thurston High School.
Today's event is all about giving students an opportunity to experience the types of things they would do while on fire crew, and especially hosting them here at Lane Community College allows them to understand that there can be a bridge between high schools and community college. I think it's really important to connect our high school students with these career opportunities.
To show them and expose them to all that's entailed in the job and what kinds of things and jobs are available for them, and exposes them to showing them where their niche might be, what kind of job they could fill to help the team battle our wildfires every year.
Students will have the experiences of cutting fire line, rolling hose, starting and putting out small fires, doing fire medical, deploying fire shelters, and using fire radios. Students coming from high school are uniquely poised to make an impact on fire lines locally and regionally. There's a lack of firefighters that we desperately need to address the challenges with putting out our fires that have increased in both severity and size and frequency. Lane Community College has a Wildland Fire Management program that helps train students to understand both the causes and the tools needed to manage those fires. Students in the program will learn how to manage fires through fuel management and ecological fire management, also understanding the societal impacts of fire, how society has used fire, and what the causes and effects are of fire on our region.